In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or add favorite contacts on iPhone. Ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Click on this phone icon, right? Click on the contacts. Enter the person you want to add favorite or remove, right? So I can just click on the mic, right? I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click on add to favorite. Add to favorite, call, phone, number, right? So if I go to my favorite, you can see Ike is currently displayed right here as one of my favorite contacts right here on my iPhone. But if you want to remove it, just click on this edit, right? Click on this minus, click on the edit, on the delete. This is basically how you can do this. I'm going to show you again. Contacts. I'll find the number. I can click on Henry, click on add to favorite, call, phone, select his number, right? Head over to favorite, click on the edit, click on this minus, click on the delete. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below. I'll see you on the very next video.